हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द आईएएस आईपीएस फैक्ट्री। हम कवर कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी फ्रॉम ब्लैक बुक। ये हमारा ड्रिल 27 है, सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स और स्पेलिंग्स का। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं। इससे पहले हमारी 6 वीडियो कंप्लीट हो चुकी हैं। कंटेम्पलेट, विचार करना। लुक थॉटफुली फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम एट। सिनोनिम इज एनविसेज, कल्पना करना। एंटोनिम इज इग्नोर, अनसुनी करना। डिसरिगार्ड, उपेक्षित करना। नेक्स्ट इज कंटेम्प्ट, घृणा, द फीलिंग दैट अ पर्सन और अ थिंग इज beneath consideration, worthless or deserving scorn. Synonym is hatred, घृणा। disregard, अनदेखी करना। Antonym is approbation, समर्थन। regard, सम्मान। respect, सम्मान। Next is contentious, विवादास्पद। causing or likely to cause an argument। और controversial, synonym is controversial, विवादास्पद। Antonym is agreeable, सहमत। Next is continue, जारी रखना। persist in an activity or process। Synonym is maintain, बनाए रखना। Antonym is halt, ठहराव। stop, रुकना। Next is contradict, विरुद्ध बात करना। deny the truth of a statement, especially by asserting the opposite। Synonym is confront, सामना करना। refute, खंडन करना। contravene, उल्लंघन करना। deny, empathetically, दृढ़ता से इनकार करना। अपोज, विरोध करना। एंटोनिम इज एग्रीमेंट, समझौता। ऑर्बिट, पुष्टि करना। नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्ट्ररी, विपरीत, अपोजिट इन नेचर, डायरेक्शन और मीनिंग। सिनोनिम इज अपोजिट, विरोधी। एंटोनिम इज एग्रीएबल, सहमत। कॉम्पिटेबल, संगत। नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्ट्राइट, पछतावा, फीलिंग और एक्सप्रेसिंग रिमर्स और पेनिटेंस, affected by guilt। Synonym is regretful, खेदजनक। remorseful, पश्चातापी। Antonym is hurtful, हानिकारक, हानिकर। Next is control, नियंत्रण करना। determine the behavior or service the running of। Synonym is regulate, नियंत्रित करना। Antonym is excited, उत्तेजित करना। agitated, व्याकुल। Next is conventional, परंपरागत। based on or in accordance with what is generally done or believed। Synonym is customary, रिवाजी। Antonym is uncommon, असामान्य। Next is convict, अपराधी। Find or declare guilty of an offense। Convince of sin or sinfulness। Synonym is criminal, अपराधी। Culprit, दोषी। Antonym is acquit, दोष मुक्त करना। Next is convince, मनाना। cause someone to believe firmly in the truth of something। Synonym is accepting, स्वीकार करना। Antonym is doubtable, संदेहजनक। Next is cooperative, सहकारी। Involving mutual assistance in working toward a common goal। Synonym is complacent, अनुकूल। और antonym is unsupportive, असहायक। Next is copious, प्रचुर। abundant in supply or quantity। Synonym is plentiful, प्रचुर। profuse, अत्यधिक। extensive, व्यापक। Antonym is scarce, scarce, दुर्लभ। merge, अल्प। storage, कमी। Next is cordial, दोस्ताना। warm and friendly। Synonym is friendly, मैत्रीपूर्ण। amicable, सौहार्दपूर्ण। warm, गर्मजोशी भरा। Antonym is hostile, शत्रुतापूर्ण। Next is corpulent, मोटा। of a person, fat। Synonym is rotund, गोल मटोल। fleshy, मांसल। Antonym is slim, पतला। slight, मामूली। Next is corroborate, समर्थन। confirm or give support to a statement, theory or finding। Synonym is confirm, पुष्टि करना। Antonym is contradict, खंडन करना। oppose, विरोध करना। Next is corrupt, भ्रष्ट। cause to act dishonestly, bribe, spoil or make impure by adding something। Synonym is depraved, भ्रष्ट। honest, ईमानदार। Next is counterfeit, नकली। imitate, fraudulently, pretended to be, fake or Forgery, synonym is fake, जाली, antonym is genuine, वास्तविक, valid, मान्य. Next is courage, साहस, the ability to do something that frighten one. Bravery, synonym is valor, वीरता. Cowardice, कायरता. अगला है courageous, साहसी, not deterred by danger or pain या फिर brave. Synonym is valiant, वीरतापूर्ण. And antonym is diffident, संकोची. Next is courteous, विनम्र, polite, respectful or considerate in manner. Synonym is polite, विनम्र. Antonym is rude, असभ्य, discourteous, assist, impolite, assist. Next is crafty, चालाक, clever at achieving one's aim by indirect or deceitful methods. Synonym is cunning, कुटिल. Unskilled, अकुशल. Next is credible, विश्वसनीय, able to be believed or convincing. Synonym is believable, विश्वसनीय, dependable, भरोसेमंद. Antonym is unlikely, अविश्वसनीय. Next is crisis, संकट, a time or intense difficulty, trouble or danger. Synonym is catastrophe, विपत्ति. Antonym is blessing, आशीर्वाद. Next is criticize, आलोचना करना, indicate the faults of someone or something in a disapproving way. Synonym is censor, निंदा करना. Antonym is command, प्रशंसा करना, approve, मंजूर करना, praise, सराहना करना. Next is crooked, मुड़ा हुआ, bent or twisted, out of shape or out of place, dishonest or illegal. Synonym is twisted, मुड़ा हुआ, dishonest, बेईमान. Antonym is straight, सीधा, straightforward, स्पष्टवादी. Next is crucial, अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण, decisive or critical, especially in the success of or failure of something. Synonym is vital, महत्वपूर्ण, momentous, महत्वपूर्ण, pivotal, केंद्रीय. Antonym is trivial, तुच्छ, unimportant, महत्वहीन. Next is crude, कच्चा, in a nature or raw state, not yet proceeded or refined. Synonym is unrefined, अशुद्धिकृत, boorish, assist. Antonym is ripe, पका हुआ, redefined, refined, शुद्ध. Next is cruel, क्रूर, willfully causing pain or suffering to others or feeling no concern about it. Synonym is brutal, निर्दयी. Antonym is दयालु, sympathetic, सहानुभूतिपूर्ण. Next is crusade, अभिमान या धर्मयुद्ध, a vigorous companion for political, social or religious change. Synonym is campaign, अभियान. Antonym is stoppage, रोक. Cryptic, गुप्त, having a meaning that is mysterious or obscure. Synonym is mysterious, रहस्यमय. Antonym is definite. Next is culmination, पराकाष्ठा, समापन, the highest or climatic point of something, especially as attained after a long time. Synonym is climax, चरम सीमा. Antonym is beginning, शुरुआत, commencement, प्रारंभ. Next is culpable, दोषी, deserving blame. Synonym is guilty, दोषी, accountable, जवाबदेह. Antonym is innocent, निर्दोष, blameless, निर्दोष. Next is cumbersome, भारी, large or heavy and therefore difficult to carry or use. Unwieldy, synonym is heavy, भारी. Antonym is convenient, सुविधाजनक. Next is cunning, चतुर, having or showing skill in achieving one's end by deceit or evasion. Synonym is shrewd, होशियार, slick, चालाक, dodgy, संदिग्ध. Antonym is simple, सरल. Next is cupidity, लोभ. Cupidity means greed for money or possessions. Synonym is greed. Antonym is largesse, उदारता. Next is curious, जिज्ञासु, eager to know or learn something. Synonym is inquisitive or interested. Antonym is uninterested. Next is current, वर्तमान, happening now, flow of water. air or electricity, up to date. Synonym is present, antonym is past. Next is cursory, शीघ्रता और या असावधानी से किया हुआ. Hasty and therefore not thorough or detailed. Synonym is quick, antonym is thorough, व्यापक. Next is curtail, reduce in extent or quantity, impose a restriction on. Synonym is downsize, कम करना, shorten, छोटा करना. Antonym is resume, फिर से शुरू करना. Enlarge, बड़ा करना. Lengthen, लंबा करना. Amplify, बढ़ाना. Increase, बढ़ाना. Next is clinical, निंदक, दोष, दर्शी. Believing that people are motivated purely by self-interest, distrustful of human sincerity or integrity. Synonym is pessimistic, निराशावादी. Antonym is optimistic, आशावादी. Credulous, विश्वासी. Trusting, विश्वास करने वाला. Next is cynicism, निराशावाद. And inclination to believe that people are motivated purely by self-interest. Skepticism, synonym is bitterness, कड़वाहट. Antonym is optimism, आशावाद. Next is dainty, नाजुक, मनोहर. Delicately small and pretty. Synonym is small and graceful. Antonym is clumsy, vigorous, जोरदार. Next is damage, टूट-फूट. Physical harm that impairs value or usefulness. Loss or harm. Injury, synonym is afflict, पीड़ित करना. Destruction, विनाश. Merit, खराब किया गया. Antonym is mend, मरम्मत, repair, मरम्मत करना. Next is damp, numb. Slightly wet, humid, moisture diffused through the air. Synonym is wet, गीला. Antonym is drought, सूखा, arid, शुष्क. Next is dank, numb. Disagreeably damp, musty and typically cold. Synonym is damp, गीला. Antonym is dry, सूखा. Next is daunt, भयभीत करना, धमकाना. Make someone feel intimidated or apprehensive. Synonym is discourage, हतोत्साहित करना. Demoralize, हतोत्साहित करना. Antonym is encourage, प्रोत्साहित करना. Cheer, उत्साहित करना. Next is dauntless, निर्भय, showing fearlessness and determination. Synonym is brave, बहादुर. Fearlessness, determined. Antonym is cowardly, कायरतापूर्ण. Next is dazzling, बहुत चमकीला. Extremely bright, especially so as to blind the eyes temporarily. Synonym is brilliant, चमकीला, मेधावी. Antonym is lackluster, फीका, मरखी, अंधेरा. Next is dearth, कमी. A scarcity or a lack of something. Synonym is scarcity, दुर्लभता. Shortage, कमी. Lack, अभाव. Paucity, दुर्लभता. और एंटोनिम होगा इसका abundance, प्रचुरता. तो इस तरह हमारा synonym antonyms का हो गया daily dose 7 complete. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में. Bye bye.